Hello. So I'm doing a lot of canning today, so yeah, there's gonna be a lot of tomato videos. That's okay, who doesn't love some tomato videos, right? Okay, so this video I'm gonna be making some tomato soup. But here's the thing. I always make it out of this book here, the All New Ball Book of Canning and Preserving. It's on page 287, okay? It's their roasted tomato soup. But in the Bernardin book, this one, the Canadian version of, well, not this one, but your ball book, this is the Canadian version, because I'm Canadian. Because some people, for some reason, some people don't realize that. But in here, if I have the right page, sorry, because like I said, I'm doing lots of, you can go there. I'm doing lots of different canning today, but in here, there is a soup, it's on page 95, spiced tomato soup. And I was looking at it, and it's not even the same as the soup that's in this book here. This one, like this one here, it's plum tomatoes, salt, pepper, olive oil, chopped onions, minced garlic, white wine. I've never used wine in my soup. Chicken stock, and 1 cup of tightly packed basil leaves. This one is chopped tomatoes, onions, celery, red peppers, carrots, bay leaves, cloves, garlic, and brown sugar. Okay. I kind of want to make a hybrid of these two soups. I will not add brown sugar because that to me is gross. I don't add sugar to a lot of things that I make. But I like the idea of the cloves. I think that will give it a nice flavor. So I'm going to add some cloves to this recipe. And I might even add some carrots because I have carrots. Carrots add sweetness, but they add a little bit extra, so I might add some carrots. Yeah, so I'm kind of making a hybrid, but I'm going to use the canning time for this one, which is 50 minutes. 50 minutes for 500 jars or pints. Okay, so we'll be back in just a minute when I'm measuring out my tomatoes, because, 1 second, okay, because I have this left over from canning the sauce. And I'm going to measure it out. I need 1.5 cups for 1 pound of tomatoes. So I'm going to measure this out and see how many cups I have here. So, be right back. You're going to hear the canner going beside me? No, sorry. Okay, so this couldn't have worked out any better. I have 12 cups of tomato puree here, which is exactly 8 pounds. That was like perfect. Okay, we'll be back in a second when I start assembling. Okay, so this canner is now done. It's just going to do its thing for a little bit longer, but we are going to move the pot a little bit. I already have my salt in here and my pepper. I've got about 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper in here, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add a quart, a liter, whatever you call it, of turkey stock. This isn't chicken stock, it's made with turkey carcass. And I have this little bit of jalapeno, maybe like a tablespoon worth. I'm going to put that in there. That was just the garden. I'm going to add a heap ton of chives in replace of onion. I don't know, I just went until it felt right. I'm going to add, oh, I got to open it up, a dash. Oh, sorry, you're on my spoon. I'm going to add a dash because these tiny cute little spoons. Oh, will you focus? Probably not. Come on. You know you want to. Really? Really? Why? There we go. A dash. We're gonna add that in. Gotta get your focus back on the pot. And that's just because I only have, oh really? You're gonna play that game with me? Stop it. Oh. Maybe? There we go. My camera's being silly. Okay. Now to that, I have cut up about 4 celery stalks and about a cup worth of carrots. And I have one of my baby, this is my shepherd pepper. But I'm gonna go out to the garden and check and see if there's more. But I'm gonna get this cooking on the stove, and then I will blitz it and we'll see how it tastes. So we'll be back in about half hour-ish. Okay, the soup itself has been cooking for nearly an hour. But what I want to do is I'm going to take my immersion blender and blend the carrots and the celery and the jalapenos and the peppers smooth. So, right back. Okay, small change in plans. It didn't get it as smooth as I would like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it with the Vitamix and pour it into a new pot so I can get it nice and creamy and smooth the way I want it. Alright, so now it's all blended. And now it's just nice and smooth and, oh you guys, oh, right back. Okay, there you go. Now you can see in the pot. Now you can see it's nice and smooth and creamy. It's a very nice color actually. Almost looks like squash soup. But let's do a taste. Oh, look at that. That's a thick soup. That's nice. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. I can taste the carrot. I can taste the turkey stock. And I can taste the tomato. The turkey stock is what hits me first. And then the tomato. Oh, I like that. I really like that. Okay. I'm going to get my canning station all set up and we're going to can this. All right, I am all set up. Now what we're gonna do is start filling the jars. 1 inch headspace because this is pressure canned and it will be pressure canned for 50 minutes. Why? I don't know, that's just what the book says. Oh. Does not look good. Oh, it looks so good. And it tastes good. Take this and then some grilled cheese. Ooh, yummy. How does everybody else like their tomato soup? Personally, I'm the grilled cheese person. It's just because I hate ketchup. I'm not a huge fan of it. I use it for cooking. But I don't, anyway. How do you guys enjoy your tomato soup? Yep, by looks of it, I'm definitely going to be okay to use my small canner. I wasn't sure if I was going to have to bring out my big canner or not. Okay, we're just doing 4 jars together. Now this is, like, there's no chunks in this, but still, I want to debubble it just to make sure. Wipe the rims. Hot. It's hot. Hot. Put our lids on. Get our screw bands. Oh, I'm getting down to the very rusted ones. Well, not very rusted, but they've seen better days. I don't like that one. Just didn't sound quite right for my liking. Okay, that's better. All right, so we'll be back in just a minute once I have all of these filled. Okay, we have everybody in the jar. We have everyone. There you are. We have everyone in the canner. 7 pints in total are in there. Now what we're going to do is let this get up to temperature and let it vent for 10 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's venting. Now we gotta let it do this for 10 minutes. All right, it vented. It vented for 10 minutes, and now it's up to pressure. I'm sorry I missed filming that. And now we're going to can this for 50 minutes. So we'll be back in a little over an hour. 5 seconds for you, but a little over an hour for me. Okay, and here it is out of the canner. We got 7 pints of, of tomato soup. You can tell the difference between the two, and that's just from the carrot, because I added that carrot to it. But look, beautiful. Did you hear it? Okay, so if you guys liked the video, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll be talking again very soon. Bye.